friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored more than 50 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate is known as the Lama as a forward. In this short video, I'll talk about the book titled Global Business Leadership. Uh, I read this book a decade ago, and it's one of the finest books, and it talks about global leadership. This book is collection of various ideas, insights on leadership, especially on global leadership. I'm basically a reviewer of various books, especially for hemorrhage, and I contributed around 250 research papers anyway globally, especially on journals including hemorrhage. So I would like to share with you certain aspects of global leadership. When you start something, do it. Don't do it. Don't leave it off the way, and have stamina to pursue forward, to take it forward. Lead by example, not by fear. And empathize with others. Have uh, the mindset, tool set, and skill set to grow as a global leader. When you look at global leader like Jack Welch, he traveled and he talked about discarding the things which are not relevant. So you have to change with the changing times and technologies. So when you want to grow as a global leaders, you must have a diversified experience, travel different places, acquire various aspects, and connect the dots so that you can become a successful global leader. And these are all the aspects. And let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive after brain stroke year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind. I'm a late bloomer with OCD, dyslexic, with ADHD. Add to that, the brain stroke has ruined my health, and I survived because of my positive psychology. I was born in a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. So I have lots of challenges. So what I would like to share with you is that you must emphasize on embrace uncertainty. You have to embrace failures. We are living in a VUCA world: volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and agility. So you have to change the changing trends and technologies to grow as a global leader. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.